can't go in there, so. I'm gonna have to pay one man to pack up all of them a black hair in the house, so I could have do that too. I could have do that at next lucky place, and when the workman them come down and deal with it.
You say why?
Me I go call Aki Walk. Me make Aki Walk come for the kids them. Me I move the kids them from here, so. Cause me know say them feel fuck up. Yeah, call him. Alright, call him and make him come for now.
So London up there.
Brother, from help Lando and Lando come out of jail. Lando no look for none away. I mean, no deal with Lando. Me just make sure he say with us. You get me? So I don't really know nothing about Lando. You understand? Me can't even tell if him the about. Me just not look back. You understand?
Me see you up there, man.
Tajay, I never want Lando in my thing. I tell you.
Alex, mommy, I don't know about that right now, you know.
No.
You carry too much feelings right now. You think about it, steal them and something them right now. Tell Alex, just send a message with Alex. Now feel nothing with Lando.
Alex.
Just make him give a blind eye. You know have to live over there. In the near T place, you know.
Alex. I see Lando over there, sir. Okay, Tajay, him no there. You know there, so. I'm thinking in the upper fame place. In the upper fame place. Now, I wonder if a brown youth will live at front part of Lando did it, so. I wonder if I could have, you know what? I could have asked him, a brown youth, because he always come and look out for me. You understand? So I wonder if that the youth they know. I could have just asked him to just watch over a place. That you say, right?
Right. I said that shit.
The brown youth that they come there with their money.
The same thing what Jay then I say, mine, do. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just left with the kids them first. I'm left friends with the kids them first. Here. Am I hear me?
Am I here, man?
I think talk about certain things, yeah, so remember say me there the same way. I think you talk about certain things.
Jaga.
Yo.
Nah, here are.
Where you say about me call Spotty Rocker?
Yeah, me I say to you say, I say certain things cause me where you say this while ago, remember say me there so same way. You understand?
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, me I go get the sister them ready and get ready and come cut. I left France now. I come up.
Alright. Do that, Annie, do that.
Alright. Where suitcase? Where other suitcase? We don't want them to bag them. We don't want to take up it. You're lazy, you know. Take his suitcase and put on the bed. Pick out the clothes them wanna want. So put them in a suitcase. Stop coming. Me go now solid. Who have me phone? Call me bumper clad phone. Wanna stop call me bumper clad phone, brother. That should a blood clot piece of chip here. Zoe, you see chip where they in iPhone? Dash away. I don't care. Dash away. Yeah.
Yeah, hear me? Tell Joseph.
Yeah. Where phone there? Alex, have it. Alex, see your sister calling where you had to creep around there so with the phone? Bring the phone, come make your sister get to talk on the phone. See, everybody who did catch my phone number, want to get rid of them people here. I don't want none of them people here call my phone. Don't call my blood clot phone. My phone has some wicked dirty demon. Don't call my phone. But I don't want to call my phone for. Take out some of my clothes them wanna want. Mums, you have to send me back the request again here. Send me back the request over. You make it come at top.
And what's up?
Hey baby, what's up?
I just want you to take your time because of the pressure. So I just want you to go easy and I want you careful where you step on the life. You understand?
Yeah.
So I just want you to think about your safety. So if you can get off the life, sort yourself out. No name, no location, nothing like that. Just keep certain things personal until you get things together, alright?
Alright, baby.
Yeah, man.
I care what we want now, right? And we'll come back now. Make them come back and pick up some more stuff for we.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Them.
I'm going to see she did not call me.
Tell her to call upon him.
Maybe.
It's
So,
me.
where?
That continue? The uncle that are you
Honey.
You lovely?
Annie,
You're lovely.
me day at work, I want to tell them blood clot dirty drunk or when I come into a talk about prank. Tell them myself go suck out them mama. Them not see your life in a danger, what them feel like.
But
Uno
then
low
you see
Annie
a
alone,
wicked people,
brother.
them you're lovely.
Uno low Annie alone.
Lovely, some wicked
Drunk
cat
in the
people.
comments. I
Them
think
you're
I need to come
never.
to media cry but in life in a danger and not talk about a prank. Uno know who is Annie? I because you don't know her, no like her, I could not try to bring her down, so no low lady alone. And he just go and hold the feet, mama.
Problem, lovely. Because they don't like see you, you know. Because enough of them a watch me and them a blood clot do it, and that me I tell you, you know. Right? Look for my place where me a bill. See my place there. Home too, no. I fuck gonna feel good for left my bumper clot place. The people thief out
Calm
the
down,
things them,
calm
no.
down, calm down, calm down. Make me cuss them for you. Make me cuss the drunker them for you. You know, low woman and lift up over the woman, brother. The woman ain't telling you say she want to go Airbnb, you know, she a try. You know, say I want trying, mother. I want to feel like. You know, low woman, brother. I can't talk about Jagger no, in the Jagger no know much about the prank. Jagger never know aware of the prank. You know, love the woman and her pitney them. Love the woman and her pitney them. You know, go wicked like on a mama. Wicked like on a mama.
Tell them, me know what them problem, man. Them problem, how them see me, I push myself. How me I elevate. How they see people come out and help me. That are them problem. You know,
Annie,
they
please
boost
me I
down
ask
in
you.
a sense.
Me subby. Sub the chat, but then go pay
Yeah,
if he come in the con type. Subby. Alright, baby.
yeah. Hey, miss, let me tell you something. Me not beg you nothing at all. I when me come out here, so I don't beg you $100. I don't beg you 2 blood clot $100. I don't beg a mama blood clot nothing. You hear me tell you? I don't come out here and say me I beg you $5. You see me? When people are prank, them are prank. Everybody know me when me come out here and something blood go down, me come and me talk. You see me? So me no come here and beg not one blood clot dollar, me still not go beg you no. You hear me tell you? Says enough I wanna come here so as some real poop work for me. Me not going on no Airbnb. Airbnb I go take me money. You understand what me I say? Me not go do that. You understand me? You say once my pity them comfortable, I could have out a door me and sleep me alright. Once me know say them they somewhere safe. Me good. You me out. Me that with no found no look a blood clot. People on TikTok. No found up your sound no fool no blood clot. Oh, girl, you not start what do you do yet?
Me can be funny phone until my waist, you know.
Can wipe out that too much by your lip.
Me try make my lips sing because me tell you about something from my lip, mommy.
That too much by your lip.
Hi, mama, waist, man.
You finished talking to me?
Yeah, me I text her, she tell me something. What you say?
What she a do?
Me can get to Akiwaka and so on.
Oh, she a get to Akiwak?
Akiwaka come.
Take off that off of your lip, that too much.
Mommy, just focus on other things, huh?
Take that off of your lip. It too much. Nobody feel like because me and my problem, me can't see. Me have ya.
I feel
For no way this. Mr. Akiwaka come, right? Alex? Alex? Put Alex clothes them in her bag. Just carry one big bag. We carry one big something, put that towel there in her bag. Yeah, put this in her bag. The things we don't need. We really need it in her bag. Yeah. We come back for stuff. Don't worry. You want to pleated skirt them where you like for wear? You want them there's something there? See pleated skirt them. Yeah. Who that?
Amika. Who?
Who she say call her?
Mommy, focus on it. Focus on it. Talking to you, me can't. What? What kind of phone you have?